Welcome to the Home Seller's Checklist, your guide to preparing your home for sale. Why prepare your home for selling? There are two important reasons. Your home will likely sell faster, and studies show that it will sell for more money. First, let's look at the inside. We need to look at every room. The cosmetics of every room. How does this room present itself when you first enter? We need to fix or clean. Looking at the whole house. Carpets, floors, drapes and blinds, rugs, throw rugs, even doorknobs. You need to look at door jambs, baseboards, the windows, even AC vents, and especially houseplants. Prune and trim them and make them look attractive. If there are ashtrays in the house, remove them. Look at the furnishings. Too much furniture can make a room look smaller. Look at the kitchen. Clean the sink. There should be no dishes in the sink. Clean tile and grout. Nothing should be in the sink at all. Clear the counters of clutter. Clean the range and oven. Empty the garbage. And organize the pantry. What is your clutter rating? How cluttered does your house appear when someone enters? Remove everything that doesn't belong. Pack away family photos. And brighten dark spaces. Add lighting if necessary and turn those lights on for showing. That is a technique that the best real estate agents use, is to turn on all the lights in the home for a showing. Move to the bedrooms. Make the beds daily. And while you're looking at it, do you need new bedspreads for the showings? Moving on to the bathrooms. Clean everything possible. Clean the grout in the tile, clean the tile, polish the fixtures, and empty the trash. Laundry. Remove the clutter in the laundry room. Make it neat and clean with no clothes on the floor. Moving on to the garage, much the same. Clean, declutter, repaint really dirty areas. Should look like a model. Let's move to the outside of the home. A new welcome mat is a nice touch. Remove any dirty or aged welcome mats. Clear the driveway and sidewalks of debris and also of clutter. Landscaping. What is your curb appeal? Really? Look at it from your neighbor's home, not the same way you enter the house every day. How does the yard look? Grass should always be trimmed and cut and edged. Leaves should not be present on the lawn or in the driveway. Remove weeds. Remove the dead plants. And do you need fresh mulch? And are there any areas that could use a little fresh sodding? The first area that people see often when entering the home is the front door. Make sure it's clean and repainted if necessary. What about the windows? Are they clean inside and out? Could the exterior use a pressure wash? And don't forget the decks and patios. This video has been created by Lynn Byrne. Please visit Lynn's website at www.lynnbyrne.com.